Sophie. Yesterday, I ate a big ice cream sundae. So today, I'm going to show you how I am going to teach my mom how to draw one. This is the draft I made of our ice cream sundae. If you want to draw with us, all you need is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something you can use to color with. It can be crayons, colored pencils, paints, markers, whatever coloring materials you have at home. Let's start it. So first, let's draw the bowl for our ice cream sundae. So we're going to start about here, and we're going to draw a straight line like that.
Okay.
I'm going to make mine a little longer. You can make yours a little longer if you want to make big ice cream scoops.
Oh, okay.
There. Next, let's draw a slightly curved line here. And a slightly curved line here. I'm going to make mine a little longer again. And then we're going to connect them with a slightly curved line. There. It's okay. You can smooth that out later.
Okay.
Let's draw the place where it holds up that big amount. I don't know what it's called. Like here, we're going to draw a slightly curved line there. And then here, we're going to draw another slightly curved line here. And then we're going to connect them with another slightly curved line. Lots of curved line. Let's draw some lines here. Here, here, here. Don't draw too many though. There. Next, let's draw the first ice cream scoop. So you start up high here. And we're going to draw a curve, sort of like a circle, but don't connect yet.
Okay, why are we starting in the middle?
Well, because when you draw the bumps for the bottom, then you don't, if you draw another one here, the bumps you won't be able to draw.
Okay.
So here, we're going to draw the bumps. Bump, 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 bump.
Okay.
So many bumps. And then, let's draw the bottom scoop. Start here, and then make a small bump here. But don't go all the way up and do many bumps.
Okay.
And then draw another curved line here. And then another bump. Wow, a lot of bumps. And then let's start here and draw another big ice cream scoop here. Let's draw the little bumps. Bump, bump, bump.
What's that bump for?
So when you have those ice cream scoops, you see those little bumps. Next, let's draw a bottom scoop underneath, a small curve.
Okay.
Well, maybe a long curve. And I think for this one, I'm going to add some chocolate chip chunks. That's for my flavor, for mint chocolate chips. But you can add any flavor you want to yours.
Okay. Chocolate chips, good idea.
And for this one, I think I'll just draw some drippy stuff. Maybe some drippy frosting for the ice cream. I'm not sure. Let's start here again. I'm going to draw another humongous scoop. Humongous scoops. Yum, yum, yum. And then on the bottom, we're going to draw another curved line like this.
Okay.
For this one, I'm going to add those drippy lines again. Okay. Let's draw a whipped cream on top.
Ooh, I love cream.
Me too. So sweet and creamy. So here we're going to draw a curved line that goes all the way up like that. Start here and then go up like a big mountain.
Okay.
Let's draw a cherry on top.
Wow. That would be a wonderful idea.
So here we're going to draw a round semicircle. Lots of curved lines for ice cream. And then here I'm going to draw the stem, just like that.
Okay.
Speaking of fruits, let's add some fruits on top of our other ice cream scoops. Here I'm going to add a cherry.
Love cherry, huh?
Yep, cherries are my favorite summer fruits. And then here I'm going to add a strawberry. But I'm going to draw some curved line like that to show it's stuck inside the gooey little the ice cream.
Oh, okay.
I think I'll draw another little cherry right here. Bump, bump, bump. So many bumps.
Okay.
Now we're finished drawing our ice cream sundae. Now we can start coloring our ice cream sundae. But before we do, I'm going to show you what colors we're going to use. So for the mint chocolate chip, I am going to use this dark brown. And for the mint part, I'm going to use this greenish color. For this scoop, this scoop, and this whipped cream, I'm going to add a little bit of pink. For the drippy stuff and this scoop, I'm going to use this purplish pinkish color. And I'm going to use this dark brown to color in this part and this part. That way it seems like it's the chocolate and the drippy part. I'm going to use this red to color in these cherries and the strawberry.
Okay.
And I'm going to use this green to color in the leaf for the strawberry. And then I'm going to add a tint of blue to the bowl holding the ice cream scoops.
Ooh, okay.
Now we can start coloring. I'm going to first color in the chocolate chips.
Okay.
And then I'm going to color in here. Coloring is fun, especially when you're coloring food.
Yeah. Can I use other colors?
Sure. You don't have to use the same colors as I do. Mom, feel free to use any color you choose.
Okay.
We finally finished drawing and coloring our ice cream sundae. My mom sure had a difficult time choosing her colors.
Oh my.
If you look very, very closely, you can see on this pink blob of drippy stuff, there's a yellow orangish mark there. Mom, I recommend you to use another separate piece of paper if you have difficult time choosing your colors.
Okay.
Then you can use your colored pencils or whatever color materials you use and then test it out the colors.
Okay. That's a good tip.
Yep. I love that your cherry is the right size for cherries. My cherry is the biggest cherry I ever saw.
But still good to me.
Thanks. I also love how humongous this scoop is. It probably is going all the way here. Then somebody will take 1,000,000 years to eat it. How long would that be? Wait a sec. Person can't live for 1,000,000 years yet. So probably not that long, but a long time compared to these tiny little scoops.
I know.
Yeah, but I like it. It's
Oh, thank
big.
you.
You're welcome.
Your picture looks good too.
Thanks. Both my mom and I finished drawing our ice cream sundaes. This is how they turned out. I think they look delicious. My mom's bowl is making my eyes go on fire. It's so bright yellow. It's the brightest thing in the house. Look at her ginormous scoops of ice cream. Look at my tiny ones. But they look delicious anyway. How do your ice cream sundaes turn out? I bet they look delicious. This ice cream sundae talk is making me hungry, Mom. Hey, can I have an ice cream sundae now?
Not today.
Okay. Bye!